Capel already has extensive experience in working with the industrial automation industry since 2009, and we understand the importance of quality and precision in the manufacturing process. Our expertise in producing 1 to 30 layers FPC, 2 to 30 2-layer rigid flex circuits, and HDI rigid flex PCBs enables us to provide high-performance solutions that meet the stringent requirements of the industrial automation industry. Capel has a team of experienced engineers who can solve customers' design problems while ensuring product quality. Since the quality of the circuit boards directly affects the performance and reliability of an electronic device, it is very important to have a high-quality FPC. In the industrial automation industry, all the products require high performance, so each of our products need to experience the most sophisticated instruments to produce. Moreover, after each specific process, it is necessary to check whether each circuit board has any defects, which is also a necessary step to ensure product quality.